GMC's single-axle mediums in dump operations are the versatile workers. This group offers the greatest number of applications and vocations and offers you the greatest opportunities. Single-axle medium-duty dumps are used by city, county, and state governments for everything from hauling refuse to light road maintenance. They're also popular with landscapers, nurseries, contract haulers, and building contractors for hauling, trailering equipment, and site cleanup. Medium-duty single-axle dumps make up over 45% of the total dump population, with over 281,000 units in use. This translates into a solid market for you, one that's well worth pursuing aggressively. Meeting the needs of this important market segment, there's the basic contractor dump body. This is the standard construction industry dump body. It is used for material hauling, batching and dumping. These have special sheet metal plating, and the floors are wear-plated for added strength and rigidity. The material is usually steel, but aluminum is also used. Power to raise and lower the dump is supplied by a hydraulic hoist. There are three basic types in common service. Let's start with the arm-type hoist, which uses single or twin parallel hydraulic cylinders in rotating arms. This design helps equalize the lifting power and reduces torsional stress to the truck frame. Telescopic hoists use concentric telescoping sleeves. These can be single or twin-cylinder trunnion-mounted units. Direct lift hoists use a hydraulic cylinder mounted directly to the understructure of the dump body. It's the simplest design since there are no arms or other mechanical parts. The GMC medium-duty truck lineup offers your customers 5 basic benefits that are particularly suited to dump applications. These are economy, toughness, maneuverability, workability, and driver comfort. Each of these areas gives you sales-making benefits you can offer your prospects, benefits that can help them do a good job. Economy. True economy is a major concern of almost every customer in today's competitive marketplace. Today's truck buyers are looking for economy that goes beyond a favorable purchase price. They're looking for return on investment. The first step in getting a good return on investment is selecting the right truck for the job. Dump operations are among the most severe a truck will be subjected to. Customers demand tough trucks. GMCs deliver the big GVW ratings your customers expect, from 19,200 pounds to a top of the single-axle line rating of 35,000 pounds. For 7,000 series medium-duty conventionals, this means you can offer your customers a payload rating of 23,233 pounds using a typical dump body weight of 2,900 pounds, and that can be some big hauling. This payload figure is calculated by deducting a vehicle, dump body, and necessary options weight total of 11,767 pounds from the maximum available GVW rating of 35,000 pounds. GMC medium-duty single-axle trucks haul big because they're made tough. Look at the frame. Standard C-section frame rails are full depth in the maximum stress area between the cab and the rear axle. Outside, inverted L-frame rail reinforcements and heavy-duty frame are available for 6,000 and 7,000 series, depending on wheelbase and other equipment. Like all GMC trucks, these tough trucks deliver a tough frame with a high resisting bending moment, or RBM. The RBM rating is the yield strength of the frame multiplied by the frame's dimensional area, or section modulus. RBM varies with different frames and different models. However, it's possible to order a GMC MD truck with a frame rating of over 1 million RBM. A wide selection of single and two-speed rear axles is available to match your customer's job requirements. Capacities range up to 23,000 pounds. Heavy-duty brakes, axles, spindles, and bearings are matched to each model and to the rated load. Up front, the axle story is just as impressive, with a rugged I-beam front axle machined from heat-treated steel forgings. It features full-width tread design, steel alloy steering knuckles, and up to 12,000 pounds capacity. Two-stage variable rate rear springs are standard. They provide a soft ride while empty and solid support under load. A dual-powered split brake system is standard. And remember, you can offer your customers a full selection of tires and cast or disc wheels to meet their on- or off-road requirements. One of the big selling points of any medium-duty truck is its inherent maneuverability, and this is especially important with dumps, having to deal with a variety of on- and off-road driving conditions. Your customers can select wheelbases with CA dimensions ranging from 60 to 188 inches to closely match the truck to the required body size for proper weight distribution and impressive maneuverability. The high-mounted cab enables the driver to have a big picture, impressive visibility, up, down, right, and left. Workability is a measure of how a truck performs. Engines and transmissions provide key links in the chain of features that determine workability. You can offer your customers a selection of 5 engines, 3 gas, 2 diesel, one to meet their any specific needs. In addition to the standard 5.7-liter V8, GMC medium-duty dumps offer an available 6-liter 366 CID V8. It's a proven performer and delivers plenty of hauling power within its applied ratings. The 7-liter 427 CID V8 is the largest gasoline engine available in GMC mediums. It features a rugged block design with deep skirt and webbed configuration to provide strength and rigidity under load. This Caterpillar 3208 naturally aspirated diesel features a big 10.4-liter displacement and a compact design. It features 6 horsepower ratings up to 199 SAE net at 2,800 RPM and a maximum SAE net peak torque of 473 pounds-feet. It offers diesel economy and performance customers want. The Detroit Diesel Fuel Pincher 8.2-liter diesel is a fuel-minded diesel alternative. It is well suited for low-speed, high-idle operations that are often encountered in short-run and off-road dump situations. It's an ideal choice for the fuel-conscious operator who doesn't operate at continuous highway speed. The Fuel Pincher and Cat are ideal where low-speed, high-idle operation is required. Remind your customers that it may be much more economical in many instances to shut down rather than idle for extended periods. Engine availability is only part of the GMC medium-duty workability story. You can also offer your customers a full range of wide-ratio 5-speed and short 4th manual transmissions. A 10-speed manual is also available, and PTO openings are standard to enable your customers flexibility in bodies and other power-driven accessories. Allison automatic transmissions are also available for most GMC mediums. These can help make driving less of a chore and can be a valuable asset when it comes time to trade. All GMC medium-duty cabs undergo an extensive anti-corrosion program that includes cathodic electro-dip priming, sealers, undercoating, tectile oil spray, and attention to details such as vinyl coating many fasteners, and using gaskets between hardware and metal to help prevent electrolysis. And inside, from the standard Sierra trim to the top-of-the-line available Sierra Classics, you'll find no compromises in basic driver and passenger comfort. And for driver productivity, it's important to provide drivers with a comfortable environment. This is especially true of owner-operators who almost literally live in their trucks. Just look at some of the important GMC medium driver comfort features. Cockpit-style instrument cluster puts all controls right at the driver's fingertips. the heater, windshield wiper switch, headlights. Instrumentation is easy to locate and easy to read. The flat black finish is easy on the eyes. Seating can be a big factor in driving comfort. Starting with the standard bench seat, you can offer your customers a variety of driver seats, including high back buckets. Single and two-passenger companion seats are also available. There are several radio options, including AM/FM stereo. The key to driver comfort is temperature and air circulation. Starting with standard power ventilation that works anytime the ignition switch is on, and standard heater, you can offer your customer an optional air conditioning system that is actually fuel-minded. The cycling clutch orifice tube air conditioning compressor is designed to cycle on and off automatically. It operates in proportion to the evaporator load. When the system is not needed, the clutch automatically disengages, thus reducing the horsepower requirement on the engine. And remember the big advantage you can offer your customer with Easy Spec. Using the Easy Spec system assures your customer of a truck that's engineered specifically to do his type of job, even if his requirements are somewhat beyond normal. Chances are one of the Easy Spec numbers will provide a good starting point to begin building the truck he needs. GMC medium-duty single-axle dumps perform the big jobs for your customers. They offer you a substantial opportunity for new sales in new markets. Their versatility is demonstrated by the GMC medium-duty 5 feature benefits: economy, toughness, maneuverability, workability, and driver comfort. The market is there, especially in these cost-aware times. It's there because GMC medium-duty dumps offer a great potential for a high return on investment.